If you want to be a successful barber in 2026, you gotta watch this video. All right. I created this whole YouTube channel apart from my current personal branding, which I have at the current time. I have around 1,500 subscribers. And the reason why I decided to create a whole different YouTube channel is because I want to focus purely on barbering, on how to be successful as a barber, how to book customers, and how to actually create more leverage of your career to actually succeed in business and create business around that. Alright, that's why I wanted to make this YouTube channel and this video, just to introduce you guys what my plans for 2026 are. And one of my plans of 2026 is I want to teach 100 barbers how to make $100,000 a year as a barber, and that's gonna come from a whole different side of aspects and videos. It could be how to book customers, how to cut hair, how to do this, how to do that, how to strategize your marketing, how to even your taxes. That's why I created this YouTube channel, because I'm gonna make so much content in order to help the younger generation of barbers. All right, so this is the point of this video. The point of this video is to actually introduce you guys the plan that I have for 2026, which is to help 100 barbers make their first $100,000 a year as a barber. And also, I wanted to kind of document my journey into this whole 2026 year. This is gonna be like a little vlog. This video is not gonna be so edited, but it's literally gonna be the truth. And I wanted to document my journey into actually opening up my second location. I already have a first location, my barbershop, and I'm on my way to open up my second location. So I wanted to make this video to document the journey. All right, I could have put in the thumbnail, watch me open up my second location or stuff like that, just for clickbait, but I wanted to be as clear and as transparent as possible, because this is gonna be a transformational journey documented on YouTube. Most barbers don't think they can be successful for whatever reason. I'm gonna show you guys that you guys can, because I'm gonna go all in, and if I can show you guys that I could be successful only by cutting hair, I'm gonna teach you guys the same, so you guys can do it as well. And I don't mean this to brag or another one of those things that a lot of people talk about. My whole point of this YouTube channel and everything that I do is to motivate, because I come from nothing. I literally come from nothing. I was an immigrant, and I still managed my way to done whatever I have done. I probably not have a lot, but I have a lot more than when I started. So which is the point of these talks and these YouTube videos and stuff like that. So tune in with me, because I'm literally gonna teach you in this channel how to actually be successful as a barber, how to cut hair, how to strategize your marketing, how to get customers, how to charge more, how my days, my vlogs, everything I'm gonna show it to you guys in this channel about barbering. Because have in mind that my personal brand is growing. That's my other YouTube channel. And for many of you guys know, I also day trade. I'm also a day trader. If you guys can see, I have my computer right here. I have another computer over there. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I have a couple of online businesses as well. So I couldn't just focus on barbering on my main channel, which is why I decided to make this one separately, because this is where I'm going to document every single step regarding to barbering. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, you're a barber, you want to subscribe to this channel because you want to grow, you want to become more of what you are, this is I think this is where I'm going to be the most transparent barber around. I'm not gonna lie to you and talk to you how you gotta charge $100 per haircut to make $100,000 a year. I'm gonna teach you the real side of business and what actually got me where I am. And that's not cutting out $100 price tag. That's not realistic, and that's not established business just yet if you are barely starting. All right, watch how I say if you are barely starting. And barely starting means like between 1 to 5 years of cutting hair. But that's another topic for another video. So, I just decided to make this video to tell you guys about this YouTube channel, and this is gonna be my journey also as well. This is gonna be considered my first vlog, you could say, about me documenting my journey in opening up my second location here in Chicago. If you guys know me, you guys probably know that I already have one location, but we're on the on the process to the second one. And since 2026 just started, I wanted to make this video to basically show you guys the progress, what it takes, how it's really behind the curtains of barbering and as a barbershop owner. So I don't really like to call myself a barbershop owner. I think that's too much of a title. I just think that I'm the barber that it's another barber that just had a dream too and he made it happen, right? So also another thing, if you guys don't know this, I have in mind that I've also been so busy with day trading because thankfully I've been getting so much success on day trading as well. That's the reason why I decided to focus the other channel purely on motivation, day trading, and my personal life as well. I also have another projects coming in. I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly what, but I'm basically launching one company this year. We're working on that, and the new barbershop as well, and that's gonna be documented through this channel. And I'm also like focusing on my online businesses as well because they have been generating me a lot of I don't want to say the price, I don't want to say the amount, but they're basically been helping me a lot, and I want to focus on those businesses and day trading side apart from this YouTube channel. So if you guys are interested in day trading, I'll recommend you guys to check out my other YouTube channel, which I'm gonna give you guys in the description down below, or you can just watch it on my YouTube profile. It should be there, day trading YouTube channel. It should be there. That's only purely about day trading, how to master it, how to learn it, live trading sessions, etc. If you like day trading, you want to get into day trading, go to that channel. I'm gonna have it all separately. And Isaac Vera, my personal brand, that's gonna be just about everything that I do, to feel free about everything that I do and post whatever I want, because at the end of the day, I am a brand myself. I am a personal brand, and I don't want to purely rely on barbering or day trading or online businesses or coaching and just talk about that, because I feel like I have a lot of things that I like to talk about, and I want to feel free about speaking what I think. It's what I have to say. So that's the reason why I'm only gonna focus on my personal brand, about what I like, what I'm doing, motivate you guys, stuff like that. Some videos are just gonna be there for the views, I'm going to be completely honest, but it is what it is. And this complete YouTube channel is going to be strictly about barbering, about cutting hair, the behind the curtains of being a barbershop owner, and documenting my journey towards my second location this year in 2026. So you guys are just gonna be, if you guys are subscribed, you guys are gonna be every single step with me within this journey. So I hope you guys get some content, some valuable information that you can guys utilize whenever you guys are ready to open up your second location or to actually just be successful as a barber. All right, so if this is something that you guys might be interested in, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I would appreciate it. And if you want to learn day trading, I'm gonna give you guys another YouTube channel, which is gonna be purely about day trading, and you can just guys subscribe in that YouTube channel down below. I'm gonna give you guys the link in the description. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video. 2026, I'm so ready for it, and I just want to make this announcement public to tell you guys my plans and everything, how every video is going to be distributed. This basically, I have 3 channels: my personal brand, day trading, and barbering. So you guys like this type of content, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It really would motivate me to keep on doing these videos, and see you guys in the next one. Take care.